Hi. This is one of my books. It's called the I Read It. And this one is called I Read the Frog and the Red Bird. Okay, so here's the red bird, and there's the frog. Sorry, part of my pants. Okay, so yeah, he has his tree there. He has his pond. Okay, let's see what it's about. Mr. Frog sat in the water. Mr. Bird sat in a tree. The two were just as happy as a bird and a frog could be. Okay, good so far. What cheer, said Mr. Redbird from his home up to the tree. Frogs can live down in the water, but a tree is a home for me. Chug-a-rug, said Mr. Frog. Ker-chug, ker-chug, said... Stay in the tree, you pretty bird, but water is a home for me. So this is the frog that said water is a home for me, and the bird said the tree is a home for me. Apparently this is a very small story, so there will be something in the back. Okay. The two were very, very happy. Very happy as they could be. Mr. Frog in the water, Mr. Redbird in the tree. And that's the end. Apparently that was a small story, but thank you anyway. The Frog and the Redbird. I read The Frog and the Redbird. Thank you, The Frog and the Redbird.